Dubai is a city in the United Arab Emirates, known for its luxury shopping, ultramodern architecture, and vibrant nightlife. Dubai is also a popular tourist destination, attracting millions of visitors each year. The city's beaches, malls, and theme parks are just a few of the many attractions that draw tourists to Dubai. Despite its rapid development, Dubai has managed to preserve some of its traditional culture. The city's traditional markets are a popular place to find souvenirs and spices. Dubai is also home to a number of mosques, including the Jumeirah Mosque, one of the most beautiful mosques in the world. Love what you're watching? Don't miss out on future videos. Hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for the latest and greatest content. Your support means the world to us. Now let's begin. Number 1. Burj Khalifa and Dubai Fountain. The Burj Khalifa and the Dubai Fountain are two of the most iconic landmarks in Dubai, creating a stunning architectural and aquatic duo. Soaring 828 meters into the sky, the Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world, offering breathtaking views of the city and beyond. Its sleek, modern design is inspired by the Hymenocallis flower, a desert plant known for its elegance and resilience. The building features luxurious apartments, hotels, office spaces, and observation decks, including the highest outdoor observation deck in the world. Located at the foot of the Burj Khalifa, the Dubai Fountain is the world's largest choreographed fountain system. Spanning 275 meters in length, the fountain shoots water up to 152 meters into the air, creating a mesmerizing spectacle of light, music, and movement. The fountain shows are synchronized to various musical pieces, ranging from classical to contemporary Arabic and world music. Two. Dubai Desert. The Dubai Desert is a vast and mesmerizing expanse of golden sands, stretching outwards from the city's glittering skyscrapers. Imagine rolling dunes sculpted by the wind, whispering secrets amidst the stark beauty. Camel caravans once traversed these sands, trading treasures along ancient routes. Today, adventure seekers find their thrills in exhilarating dune-bashing rides, hot air balloon voyages soaring above the golden waves, and serene desert retreats bathed in the Milky Way's glow. A symphony of silence reigns under the endless blue sky, broken only by the whisper of the wind and the occasional chirp of desert birds. It's a place to reconnect with nature's primal simplicity, a stark contrast to the urban jungle nearby. So next time you envision Dubai, don't just picture towering structures and bustling streets. Remember the golden embrace of the desert, waiting to weave its magic on you. 3. Dubai Mall and Aquarium. The Dubai Mall is one of the largest shopping malls in the world, located in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. It is part of the downtown Dubai development and is adjacent to the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. The mall has over 1,200 stores, including flagship stores for many luxury brands. It also has a number of restaurants, cafes, and entertainment venues, including an aquarium, a multiplex cinema, and an ice rink. The Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo is one of the largest aquariums in the world, located in the Dubai Mall. It houses over 140 species of marine animals, including sharks, rays, and seahorses. The aquarium also has a number of interactive exhibits, such as a touch tank and a shark tunnel. 4. Al Fahidi Historical District, also known as Al Bastakia, is a neighborhood in Dubai. It is located in the Bur Dubai area along the Dubai Creek. The district is known for its traditional wind towers, which were used to cool homes before the invention of air conditioning. Al Fahidi is also home to a number of art galleries, cafes, and restaurants. The district was built in the early 19th century by Iranian traders. The wind towers, which are made of mud brick and wood, are up to 30 meters tall. They work by drawing cool air from the sea up through the towers and into the homes below. Al Fahidi was once a thriving port, but it declined in the early 20th century as Dubai's economy shifted from trade to oil. The district was restored in the 1990s and is now a popular tourist destination. 5. Dubai Miracle Garden. Dubai Miracle Garden is a flower garden located in Dubailand. It is the world's largest natural flower garden, with over 50 million blooming flowers and plants. The garden is divided into several themed areas, including a butterfly garden, a flower lake, and a heart-shaped flower arch. There are also life-size floral sculptures of animals, houses, and even cars. The Dubai Miracle Garden is open from November to May, as the scorching summer heat would wilt the flowers. The garden is a popular tourist destination, and it is especially popular during the spring months when the flowers are in full bloom. 6. Dubai Marina and Creek. Dubai Marina is a man-made waterfront development in Dubai. It is known for its skyscrapers, luxury yachts, and vibrant nightlife. The Dubai Marina Yacht Club is a popular spot for boat rentals and water sports. The area is also home to a number of restaurants and cafes, as well as several hotels and apartments. The Dubai Creek is a saltwater creek that runs through the heart of Dubai. It is one of the oldest and most traditional parts of the city. The creek is home to a number of traditional dhows, as well as several historical landmarks, such as the Al Fahidi Historical District and the Dubai Museum. The area is also a popular spot for shopping and dining. Dubai Marina and Creek offer a unique and exciting glimpse into modern Dubai. The area is perfect for those who want to experience the best of what the city has to offer. 7. Palm Jumeirah. Palm Jumeirah is a man-made archipelago in Dubai, shaped like a palm tree. It is one of the most ambitious and luxurious real estate developments in the world. The island is home to a number of luxury hotels, resorts, and private residences, as well as several theme parks and attractions. The trunk of the palm tree is lined with upscale hotels and resorts, such as the Atlantis the Palm. The fronds of the palm tree are made up of a network of canals and waterways, with villas and mansions lining the shores. The crown of the palm tree is home to a number of luxury apartments and penthouses, as well as the iconic Jumeirah Zabiel Saray Hotel. Palm Jumeirah is a popular destination for tourists from all over the world. It is known for its luxurious lifestyle, stunning views, and wide variety of activities. Visitors can enjoy swimming, sunbathing, water sports, golfing, shopping, and dining. 8. Museum of the Future. Museum of the Future is a 77-meter-tall silver, ellipsoid-shaped building located in Jumeirah. The museum's unique shape is made up of 1,024 stainless steel panels, each of which can be individually illuminated. The panels are designed to reflect the sunlight and create a dazzling display. The museum is also covered in Arabic calligraphy, which pays homage to the region's heritage. The museum's exhibits are designed to explore the future of humanity in a variety of areas, including artificial intelligence, robotics, biotechnology, and space exploration. Visitors can experience interactive exhibits that allow them to learn about these technologies and how they will shape the future. The Museum of the Future's mission is to inspire people to think about the future and to create a better tomorrow. The museum's goal is to be a platform for collaboration and innovation, and to help people from all over the world come together to solve the challenges of the future. 9. Dubai Frame. Standing proudly at 150 meters tall, the Dubai Frame is a magnificent golden rectangle that overlooks Zabiel Park and the iconic Burj Khalifa. Its sleek design, reminiscent of a picture frame, offers breathtaking panoramic views of both the city's modern metropolis and its historical district. Clad in 15,000 square meters of stainless steel panels with polished golden cladding, the Dubai Frame's exterior gleams under the desert sun. The two towers of the structure are connected by a 93-meter-long sky bridge, accessible to visitors via a high-speed elevator. Stepping onto the sky bridge, visitors are treated to unparalleled 360-degree vistas of Dubai's contrasting landscapes. At the top, an immersive glass floor and augmented reality experiences further enhance the breathtaking panorama. 10. The Burj Al Arab. The Burj Al Arab is a luxury hotel in Dubai. It is located on an artificial island 300 meters from the Jumeirah beach. The hotel is designed to resemble the sail of a dhow, a traditional Arab sailing vessel. The Burj Al Arab is the fourth tallest hotel in the world and the tallest all-suite hotel. It has 202 suites, all of which are duplexes. The hotel also has a number of restaurants, bars, and nightclubs. The Burj Al Arab is one of the most iconic landmarks in Dubai, and it is a popular tourist destination. The hotel has an underwater restaurant, which is one of the only underwater restaurants in the world. The hotel has a private beach, which is only accessible to guests of the hotel.